The phrase "it is what it is" is a succinct and often philosophical expression that reflects a certain acceptance of the present circumstances or situation, usually in the face of adversity, or when dealing with an unchangeable reality. It encapsulates the idea that some aspects of life are beyond our control, and there's no point in dwelling on them or trying to alter them because they are inherently unchangeable. This phrase is often used in response to disappointing or challenging situations. When someone says, "it is what it is," they are essentially acknowledging that the circumstances cannot be altered and that it's more productive to accept them rather than lament or struggle against them. It implies a degree of resignation and a willingness to move forward despite the difficulties. "It is what it is" can be a source of comfort in situations where individuals may be struggling to come to terms with a harsh reality. For example, if a person receives disappointing news, such as a rejection for a job they applied for, they might say, "well, it is what it is," as a way to process the setback and avoid dwelling on it excessively. This can help them maintain a sense of perspective and resilience. The phrase is also employed in situations where there is no clear explanation or justification for an outcome. It conveys a sense of inevitability and implies that sometimes life can be unpredictable or unfair, and we must accept it for what it is. For instance, if a sports team loses a game despite their best efforts, the coach or players might use this phrase to acknowledge the outcome without assigning blame or dwelling on what went wrong. In a broader philosophical context, "it is what it is" touches upon the concept of existential acceptance. It aligns with the idea that life is filled with uncertainties and challenges, and part of personal growth and wisdom is learning to accept the circumstances we cannot change and focusing on the things we can influence. However, it's important to note that while "it is what it is" can be a coping mechanism, it should not be used to justify complacency or to avoid addressing problems that can be changed or improved. It's a reminder that there are limits to control, not an excuse for inaction. In recent years, the phrase has become a popular saying in various contexts, from business and sports to everyday conversations. Some people find it overused, while others appreciate its simplicity and its ability to capture a complex idea in just a few words. In conclusion, "it is what it is" is a concise expression that reflects a philosophy of acceptance in the face of unchangeable circumstances. It serves as a reminder that life can be unpredictable and challenging, and sometimes the best course of action is to acknowledge the reality and move forward with resilience and a sense of perspective.